Here on Dock Holiday, we have the U-Galley, 4-burner stove, little oven here, dual sink that opens up right into the dining room so you can chat with the guests and share stories about everything you did on charter. I like to cook Caribbean and Mexican food. Lots of citrus and garlic in all my dishes, most of my dishes. Harness that into our flavors and give them tropical flavors and a taste from the Caribbean. For our main course today, we have seasoned grouper, a bed of sweet potato puree, ginger turmeric lentils, and then asparagus and fennel salad to top it off.
Experience you're gonna have out here in the Virgin Islands if you get on Dock Holidays. We're gonna show you guys around the island. We're gonna be your best tour guides you could possibly have. We're gonna go sailing, we're gonna go snorkeling, we can go free dive. We'll go see a bunch of coral reefs, we'll see some turtles, we'll see some dolphins. We'll see some whales during certain times of the year. I really want everybody to really enjoy these islands as much as I do. The sailing experience on Dock Holiday is really wonderful because you have everything very self-contained here. So you can actually sail this boat by yourself, which is pretty crazy for how big this boat is. This is our fly bridge on Dock Holiday. We've got a nice big open space here, really nice and open right here for a dance party. Everybody can hang out up here. It's usually where everybody likes to be while we're underway. It's nice and peaceful up here. You can hear some tunes, see how we sail the boat. Really nice sun deck area over here for tanning for the ladies especially. I mean the guys as well. And then we're gonna go down to our foredeck. Nice big open foredeck here. Big table that folds out. We can usually do some lunches out here, even some sunsets if we're going the right direction. Opens up into the rest of the boat as well, so even people inside can all kind of have the same experience as well. The fact that this doesn't have a trampoline here, it's a nice big open space. I mean, you can have a big gathering here, say 15 people that could very, very comfortably be here and hang out and you know, really experience some beautiful views and get to see everything together. We have some underwater scooters here, which are super fun to play with. You can really explore through the ocean a lot, see all the fish, see all the reefs. What I really love to do is bring people out, grab some lobsters. So we got a few of these guys here. I'm a big free diver and really like to show people under the water. You can really go down a lot further than you think you can. Stand-up paddleboards. And then we've also got a Sunchill inflatable pad. Really nice to be submerged in the water and then also be able to, you know, just relax for a little bit after a big day of lobstering. All right, guys, another wonderful feature that we have on Dock Holiday is we have this retractable door. This door really opens space up in here. It allows people to really get a good solid breeze through the boat. Great spot to watch at sunset. And we also have a nice big dining room table where everybody's allowed to, you know, have some space and not be rubbing elbows while you're sharing a great meal with some friends and family that you love.
The port gull wing doors allow private access for the main cabin, the master suite. We have the his and her heads. This is the closet space. The master cabin bed sleeps 2. There's plenty of room. With these portholes, you get great ventilation and a beautiful view to wake up to. We have this dry shower here as well, a wash basin, more storage for toiletries. We have a big mirror over here. I'm 5'6" and there's plenty of standing room here, very spacious. If you're interested in booking Dock Holiday, you can find us on yachtcollective.com and book a charter. We'd love to have you on board.